In this tutorial, we're going to be browsing through a document from note to note, or really from one instance of a particular style to the next instance of a particular style. Now, the assumption of this tutorial is that when you're making inline notes in your dissertation or research paper, and when I say inline notes, I mean notes to yourself, like check out this citation or see if there's another article on this subject. When you have notes like that to yourself in your document, in a previous tutorial I showed you how to create a style that you can apply to those notes, and that helps you be consistent, and in the end it will help you to be able to go back through and make sure that you've covered all those notes in a little more maybe quick way than normally. So I'm going to show you how to do that. What you want to do is, I have some notes already created in this document. My notes are highlighted in this light yellow shading. So I'm going to use the find function. I'm going to hit Control F. That will open the find and replace window. I'm going to move that up. And now instead of typing text into this box, I'm going to come down here to the More button. That opens up some more find options. I'm going to click on the Format button and select Style. And now when you open this window, it will be at the beginning of the list. These are all of the styles that are defined in this document. And now I just want to go to the note style, select it. That's the style that I'm using for notes in my document, the style that I defined. So that's what I'm going to be searching on. I hit OK. And you'll see what will happen. This will be new for you. It was already here in my window, but this will be new for you. We're not going to search on text. We're going to look for any text that's formatted according to the style note. I'm going to close this window close that expansion so it's easier to see. And now I'm going to hit Find Next. That word will take me to the first instance or the next instance in the document where I have the style note. And I can continue hitting Find Next, and it will take me to those next occurrences. Now I'm going to close out of Find, but I just want to point out that if I can continue moving through my document from note to note. And I can do that now instead of opening up the Find window just by using the Control Page Up and Page Down key. So I'm going to hit Control Page Down. That's going to take me to the next note and the next note. Control Page Up takes me to the previous note, the previous note. That's the same thing as using these arrows, these browsing arrows that you have at the bottom right of Microsoft Word. And if you want to, normally the function, what happens when you use Control Page Down is it goes to the top of the next page. To get back to that, you just select or hit this button in the bottom right between the browsing arrows, and then select the Browse by Page. And now when I hit Control Page Up, it takes me to the top of the previous page. Control Page Down, top of the next page.